Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the smallest, cutest sharks you can see while diving in Southern California, the horn shark. These cuties typically only grow to be about 3 feet long, and I've seen some much smaller than that. Horn sharks are endemic to the Eastern Pacific, meaning that they're not only native, but they can really only be found here, and they're typically from Southern California down to the Gulf of California in Mexico. So why are they called horn sharks? Well, have you noticed their horns? You might be expecting them to be on their head, but that's not the case with horn sharks. There's one venomous horn at the base of each of their dorsal fins. Because horn sharks are small and slow moving, these spines serve as a defense from predators. Their coloring also makes them masters of camouflage, and they can be really hard to spot. Some even have this cute polka dot pattern to help them blend into the rocky reefs. Horn sharks are very commonly seen bottom dwelling and just hanging out because they don't need to constantly pump water over their gills like some shark species. They're able to do this with their cheek muscles, a process known as buccal pumping. Horn sharks prefer shallow rocky waters close to the coast, and they spend most of the day wedged between rocks, and they display high sight fidelity, meaning that they tend to return to the same spot each time. And then they come out to hunt at night, and it's currently their breeding season in Southern California, so I've been seeing a bunch whenever I dive around sunset. Fun fact, if you ever find this weird spiral structure, this is the casing that surrounds a horn shark egg. This one I found in the sand was empty, but the female lays the eggs in this casing, then uses her mouth to wedge the spiral in between rocks so it doesn't get eaten or carried away by the current before the baby hatches. I am just absolutely obsessed with these beauties. Let's hear it for the horn sharks.